I noticed the times are different on the other side, and we're 4:15. So what's the better side to be on?
It'll be over here.
It'll be on this side. Thank you. Oh, thanks. Like what? Thank you.
So this is your do not disturb,
Okay.
and this is when you're ready for your cabin clean.
Not for when I've spilled my drink and I need a new one?
Yeah, no, not.
Oh, that's what it looks like.
Yeah. So we'll clean your cabin once you have that on.
Perfect. Are you our
Yes, there's two of us. The other guy's there, he's down there.
Awesome.
And then over here, we have your, after you've watched your safety video, then you can check in at the casino, deck 6.
Oh, nice. The casino one.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
So one of the things that I'm a little bit amazed at is just how many people here in this age group on this cruise like to play games. So they have a lot of games available, and these tables are always full of people playing.
Every time we walk
by, so let's go see.
Did you guys win at the puzzle?
No, we took like 30 or 40.
You were pretty up there. We were walking by. Are we doing another one?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is the game closet where you
So
can
they've got all kinds of games.
puzzles and games and
No, you're good.
oh my god, they have cooties.
I remember those. I don't think most people on this ship do. What do you mean? We have that one at home.
Oh,
Sorry, trouble. Cute. So we just went to the casino literally for 10 minutes.
and one again.
And won again.
Okay, wait, this is all about this.
So this is what we won this time. Tell them what we won this time.
Okay, so 10 minutes ago,
Yeah.
we went to the casino with, well, obviously $300.
Yep.
We turned this one into 201.
Yep.
So these represent $100 bills. This one we turned.
Oh, we lost.
Oh, this one we turned a $100 bill into $32.
Yeah. So that's minus 70.
And then last night, this one just broke even. This $100 bill turned into a $100 bill and 62 cents.
Yeah.
This one though turned into $300 or 301. And this $100 bill turned into $190.
Oh my God.
So it's our winnings. So Lisa has a secret, but it's a secret that works for her.
But what we do is every time we bet, we max bet. So I also hate penny machines. I absolutely
Although you won last night on a penny.
I did.
She won $100 on a penny machine.
I did, yeah. But I really, and I don't, just because it happened to be the one, but I typically don't like penny machines.
Yeah.
We only do dollar machines and we only max bet. So that means at each bet we makes a $5 to $10 sort of bet.
Right.
But we also have a second rule, and our second rule is generally we start with $100 each, and that's all we spend. Like if we find that we're not winning on the $100 each, then we're kind of done.
Yep.
That's the
you
end
run
of
it
it.
out, it's over.
Yep, that's a done. We're not like that kind of gambler. So those are our two things. We come with $100 each. We max bet. So honestly, with the $100 each we started with, unless we're winning, then we keep playing some more.
Yeah.
This is the Valiant Lady ship, and our room is right there. You see the
Lifeboat.
Yep, or the room next to it without the lifeboat right in front of it. But
Right
it'd
beside
be
it.
better if we were one up more front or up. Just saying.
Those are bigger rooms up there.
Just
by
for
the way.
future.
No jumping, no footwear, no smoking. I think you should do it. Oh, it says no coffee. Does it say no coffee? Yeah. It's a little hard on the feet.
It's hard on the butt too.
going to see a bingo.
Intense amount. So we had
Virgin.
three winners, and half of the room was stood up. So I feel like we might need to just help ourselves relax a little bit. Was anyone else feeling tense during that round? Yeah, the tension is high. So listen, I've got a wee idea. Does anyone want to win some bonus prizes? My favourite way to help me calm down if the tensions are running high is to play a wee mini game. Are you ready to play this or that? Now, we need two competitors and you are both...
Okay, so apparently this ship has very good ice cream because I keep seeing people walking by with nice ice cream, waffle cones of all different shapes and sizes. So we're gonna try an ice cream today. Okay, so we are having chocolate.
Yes.
Oh, chocolate amazingness. And espresso chip. Or espresso. Oh, those are good.
So one thing we've learned about Virgin Cruises is everybody participates. No matter what thing they have going on, the PJ party, the red night, the VHS workout, the sing-alongs, the karaoke, the spin cycles, the gym classes, everybody participates here. And, you know, whether you're great at it or bad at it, nobody cares. Just get out there and do it. And Virgin supports that 100%. So a lot of activities.
And shake your food.
So we are in our super cool PJs. I'll show them our super cool PJs.
There's our super cool PJs, and they match.
PJs.
Yeah.
And we are on our way to the pajama party, so no idea what this is going to be like. It's upstairs, out on the deck, so let's go check out the PJ party.
I can see that you all have well and truly understood the assignment. We've got some gorgeous PJs, some lovely little matching sets, even some little sexy lingerie. So listen, you know what you're doing. So I've got one thing to say to you. Are you ready to get this party started? Alright, DJ, hit that track, babes. Oh, we just wanna have fun. Do you wanna have some fun? Right, sir.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your